What's up YouTube, this is your boy Two Machine, and I am back at y'all with a quick video. Today I have a pair of Air Presto Off-White in front of me today. And I'm just gonna do a deep clean, basically restore the shoes and make it look a lot more better than what it actually is. I bought these shoes from GOAT about 2 weeks ago, and the thing with GOAT is that whenever people post the shoes up on GOAT as used, they tend to wear them even after they posted a picture, so the condition tend to look more, the shoe look more damaged when you receive the shoes. But you know what, it's fine. We're gonna go ahead and restore it. As you can see, it's just bad. It's just really bad. Look, you can see right there, you have the creasing right there, right there. The whole mesh is just dirty. The Nike check right there is yellow. Sock liner is just nasty. Creases on the midsole. So today we're gonna turn these $400 shoes to $700 to $800 shoes. So let's go ahead and start the video by removing the laces. All right, so next you want to take your Rejuvenator adjustable shoe tree. It goes from size 7 to 13. So this is a size 11, so it'll be right here in the third knot, right there. So let's go ahead and insert this shoe tree. That way you have a better platform while cleaning your shoe. You're gonna start off with the soft bristled brush. Here we have the soft, medium, and the soft for the mesh, the upper mesh. So remember to squirt your solution. I'll say 2 squirt is enough. So let's start the cleaning. Oh, whenever you hold your brush, I recommend using your thumb and your middle finger just so you have that grip. And whenever you clean, do a circular motion. That way it gets rid of all the dirt from the inside. So next we're going to start with the medium bristles brush to hit the midsole. So let's get into it. And if you're cleaning specifically your Off-White Prestos, I recommend using your medium bristles brush to go through the Velcro right here, as long as the sock liner, just because it holds a lot more dirt than all the other parts of the shoe. But don't go too rough on it. Be gentle with the brush. Now that we're done with that, next we're gonna go to the outsole using a stiff brush, also known as the suede renap brush, if you guys don't know that. So now that we're done cleaning the shoe, take your towel and just get rid of these soaps. Then what you want to do, take your laces, dip it in here, and just like this. So now that all done, take your laces in here, put the shoes inside the laundry bag, and we're good to go. So yeah, what you want to do is just put your shoes inside the washing machine. Fill the laundry detergent to halfway. Put it all on the shoe and around it, just in case. And then you want to set the thing to cold, delicate. Most important part of the shoe restoration is to put your setting on delicate, and that's it. We're good to go. All right, so here it is out of the washing machine. The shoe looked pretty damn clean. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Everything is perfect. You guys remember the sock liner was like all nastied up. Even this part right here was nasty. The part of the tongue was nasty. Toe box was nasty. Everything came out really, really good. So the last step, the last two steps I had to do is to remove the creasing from the midsole and go over the black lettering of the shoe, and let's get to it. So for removing the creases off the shoe, all you need is a damp rag and an iron. So let's get into it. Creasing is removed from the medial side to the outside. Everything is just pretty much removed. There's a couple of creases that are sitting there that I don't want to remove because I want to touch the mesh material that would damage the mesh. But yeah, the last thing we got to do is just outline these black leathers, and we are good to go. As you can see, it's just starting to fade, and yeah. So all you're gonna need is a paper mate pen. There you go. So let's get into it. Everything is pretty much completely done. So I'm gonna go over what we did. First, we did the shoes really deep clean, and then we throw them in the washing machine with the laundry bags. Put it on delicate, an hour cycle. Make sure to put it on delicate, and then next we removed the creases off the midsole. Drew the off-white lettering, the off-white corporate lettering. And that's pretty much it. I just turned $400 looking shoes. I'm gonna post a picture up here, and you guys can tell the difference. So I just turned $400 shoe into a $750 resale shoe. So yeah, all we gotta do now is lace these bad boys up, and that is it. Boom, so there it is. This is your off-white Presto. Now these, of course, are gonna be the more harder pair to clean. You have the all black pair, you have the OG pair, and you have the all white pair. So I'm glad that we made a video explaining how to clean this specific shoe. Of course, you paid a whole bunch of money for it, some even paid a racks for it, and it's all messed up, and you guys do not want that to happen, especially the mesh right here. It captures the dirt really, really easily. But yeah, you guys, this is it. It's your boy Tommy C. I'll see you guys next time. Y'all be easy. Peace.